Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So FIFINE just sent me the Ampligame A8 microphone and I'm super excited to share my experience with y'all. I don't know much about microphones, however, I've been using a few of them for a while now, so I'll share what I know. Also, I'll only be using the FIFINE A8 to record the whole video. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, let's get into the unboxing. So the packaging held up really well, and props to FIFINE for that. So as you open the box, user manuals right on the top. Always good to have that in handy. Now let's reveal the star of the show. And as you can see, thick foams everywhere. I mean, they really went all out to make sure this mic arrives safe and sound. And wow, it's just a really pretty mic. Props to FIFINE for the aesthetics. Oh, and check this out. A pop filter with a smiley face. Adorable. You also get a long USB cable for the mic, and they also have a mount for your boom arm as well. Let's talk about the mic itself. It's got a plastic body, which makes it super light, but it feels sturdy enough. It comes with its own shock mount, which is pretty cool because you don't see many companies doing it. It'll help absorb vibrations and impacts, and is super useful if you have it mounted on a wobbly desk. They have a pretty good hinge as well. Basically, with this, you can rotate all the way up or down and hold it in place as well. Now the base, it's pretty solid, looks super durable and has a rubber feet as well. And underneath the mic, you'll have slots for your headphone jack and a USB-C slot for your power. Now setting up this mic is an absolute breeze. Just plug in the USB-C cable and we're good to go. It's literally plug and play. But hey, if you run into any hiccups, don't worry. A quick trip to the sound settings in the control panel should sort things out. Now let's talk about some of the cool features. So what's really cool about this mic, especially for a mic that costs around $40, are the tap features. So you can basically mute or unmute with just a light tap on the head of the mic. And I love this feature. You also have a tap button at the back of the mic for your RGB controls. So this mic has 3 lighting modes, but however you have 9 variations of colors. So I'm sure there's a variation for everyone. And lastly, you have a knob control at the back to adjust the gain of your microphone. As for me, I like my mic on the boom arm. So mounting the mic on a boom arm is a breeze. I'm going to take out this hinge, put on the mounts for the boom arm, and set it up. So let's talk about the sound quality. As I've mentioned in the beginning of the video, I'm recording the whole video with FIFINE's Ampligame A8, and I can't stress this enough. The sound is so crisp and good that I can't even hear the difference between a Blue Yeti that costs around, I think, triple the cost, and this $40 mic negates the background noises the whole time the fan's been running and you can't hear anything. Now, it does have a cadoroid pickup pattern, which means it'll pick up sound from all directions, which is great for a podcast using a single mic. But personally, usually I prefer mics that pick up sound from only one direction, so when I'm gaming, it won't pick up my keyboard sounds or my mouse clicks. However, if it does, don't worry, because there are different softwares and settings to solve that problem. Now let's check out the pop filter. Paper, 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 paper. As you can see, the plosives are very harsh when you don't have the pop filter. But with this, it negates all the plosives and just gives a smooth sound. Since my channel usually deals with keyboard contents, let's look into some sound tests with my keyboard. So wrapping it all up, giving my final thoughts, I think this is one of the best microphones you can get for 40 bucks. It has so many good features and it has a pleasing aesthetics as well. The sound quality is comparable to a higher end model as well, and for that it's just a bang for the buck. So if you're looking for a really good budget microphone, then I'll leave the Amazon link below for FIFINE Ampligame A8 microphone. And a final shout out to Ted Lowe from FIFINE for sending me this amazing microphone. And if you guys want to give him a follow, I'll leave the links in the description below. Give it a look and see you guys next time.